Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. If it don't make money, then it don't make sense. Fuck being famous, bitch, I'd rather get rich. Real talk, I'd rather.
What's going on, YouTube? Alright, today we're getting into a little nice video of me lifting the rear. Well, I already done it. I just had to do a little intro video. You can't tell by all the oil stains and stuff on me. Well, all of that is already done. But we're finna get off into the video, y'all. It's not hard. You're gonna get dirty. I mean, you're gonna get dirty. But hey, it's cheaper than paying somebody to do it. You can do it yourself. Very, very simple. Alright, let's get it, y'all. Alright, guys, I got a little ahead of myself here. I went on, broke everything down, put the first one in. Just the cup down here. Very simple, like, basically you take the tire off. Alright. Then on top of that, you pull this off here. What is it, sway bar link? Whatever. Just pull that off. Then on top of that, you take the shock bolt out. And then you drop this. You just let it hang and dangle. By the time you do that with a flow jack under it, because normally I just put it on a mess up stud or at the bottom somewhere I normally put it. But the way that you do it like that is this how I do it. Once this all is took apart, I actually take me a wind up jack and I stick this wind up jack between this and the frame. And I wind it up and it push it down for me. So that's how I normally do it. I mean, I wouldn't advise a lot of people do it my way, but it works for me. And hey, if it works, it works. Spring is in there. I locked it in. Make sure you use the rubber bushings that go back in. I'm gonna probably on the other side, I'm gonna probably just do a step-by-step real quick and show you, but I had went on and just got one side completely done real quick. Kind of hard trying to shoot a video, take my time and do all this. So now I just jack up on the jack, and as you can see, it's bringing it back up. Very simple. So I'm gonna bring it back up to the sway bar link. I think it needs a standard sway bar link, it's not quite sure. Jack stand under here, another jack stand in front. I just got that one there with a brick on it because it was a smaller one. I got another one up front though. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna put the shock extender on real quick. And then I'm gonna put the sway bar link back in, and yeah, that'll be it for this side. Back is very easy, it's nothing like that front. The front do need an alignment bad. If you change your spindle or do any kind of major lift or lowering to a front end, you're gonna need an alignment. There's nowhere around it. You're gonna need it. I mean, you can try to fight it, whatever. You're gonna need it. So, as you can see, these the bolts for the shock extender. That's my other cup for the other side. We're gonna get that video. Free stickers, bottom opener, because they know you're gonna have to drink one after fucking with this shit. Free bottom opener. So hey, let's get it, y'all. We'll fin this side up. We're gonna get back in the video. Like I say, my bad, but just getting off and trying to get some stuff done. So I'm gonna get this side done, then we're gonna walk through together on the next side. All right, guys. All right, we're done on one side, now we're on the other. And first thing first, we're gonna take the tire off. Pull that off, jack it up, got jack stand under there. I'm gonna put one more in the middle, and I do that just for security because that's my short jack stand. I use these blocks basically to let the truck up a little higher. I mean, me and my concrete blocks, we get along just fine. I got little blocks that I put in front of the tires. Not that little block, I just got this in there. Don't pay no attention to it. But I got more of them blocks that I put in behind the tires, and that stop it from rolling or anything like that. I always remember not to crawl under here. you know, work from a distance. Okay, you never know what'll happen. So, but anywho, we're gonna pull this tire off. So let's get it off. Now that you got the tire off, next, I'm gonna take this jack. I'm gonna take this brick off. I'm gonna pull it back here in the back. Try to get it back here. And lift up on it. Then you're gonna take the sway bar link bolt loose here. You're gonna pop this pin out up here that I have my light zip tied to. Don't pay no attention to it. Then you're gonna pop this out of here, that way it can be able to flex and it won't be able to bind. But I think you just can pop the top one out and it'll have enough flex to flex on down. So it just really this bolt, well, this nut and that bolt and nut down here, and pop this out up here, and the whole thing goes down. Me myself, like I say, I normally take my, okay, I think I left it, oh there it is. I take my wind up jack and I try to get it bounded between the frame and the rear end, and try to twist it on up, and it'll apply a little pressure down on it. I wouldn't recommend a lot of people doing, because it messes up a lot of bearings and things. But me, I mean, I do it, and I have not missed a one by the grace of God, you know. But I'm just saying, just if you don't have no other way to do it, that's one way you could do it. If you're doing it by yourself, you don't have a lift or nothing. So, and we working on dirt, so it's country boy status. So hey, it is what it is. So I'm gonna pop all this out, and then we're gonna start installing the cup. And like I say, those are other things that I was telling you about. Make sure you hold on to them. Do not lose them. It's one at the top and one at the bottom. Without them, the truck will squeak like no tomorrow in the back. All right, so let's go get the jacked up on this to try to break the nut off here, and we're gonna break the nut off back here. And then once you got them broke, you can actually slide this bolt out. You got to let some of the pressure off of here, because it's at an angle, so you got to let the pressure off slowly, and then you can just pull that out. Very simple. All right, now that we got that off, I'm gonna try to slowly let it down where I got the phone right here, so you can see what I'm saying. All right, I think that's it there. Slowly. All right, it's coming down slow. You see how it shifts? Now once it actually comes back, me, I just keep putting pressure on it, until I'm able to actually pull it out. But you're gonna have to pull that out before you go any farther. So I gotta jack it back up some because I let it down too far. But no worries. Alright. Just slowly let it down. Oh shit. Alright, now you see it just pulls right out. And what you're gonna do, you're just gonna move that to the side, move it anywhere. Now you can actually let this down. Just fuck it, it doesn't matter. Let it all the way down. Now you see that spring comes straight out. It is one more thing I forgot to tell you. Take that bolt off right there. That is a, I want to say a, oh, fly, man, she everywhere. Okay, cool. That is exactly a 13 millimeter right there. That's 13. All right, so we're gonna remove that, and then we're just gonna let it all fall. So, and then we're gonna get to the rigging up the jack in the middle of here. So let's get it. Now I took that bracket off there, 13 millimeter. All right, now I'm finna pop this out so I can extend it down a little more, because I still have my I might have to break that little zip tie there. Don't worry about it. Yours ain't got no zip tie. Mine just got one. As you can see, the spring is actually loose, so you can just pull that out. Just take it out. There go the other rope boot I was telling you about. Just take it out. Now we're gonna get ready to do the rigging part. So let's get that. Let's go and get it, guys. This is not the best way to do this, but this is how I do it. Instead of taking the arms and all this apart, I don't got time. So I bind my jack. Remember, this is not really safe. I just do it. And then I let up on my jack, and it actually pushes it down. So this is my simple way of doing it. But trust me, if you've never done it before, if you're not a country bucket like I am, don't do it. Just take it to a shop. But me, balling on a budget, country biking, yeah, I can do it. I can do it. All right, so let's go get the spring back in because, yeah. Wish I had like a porta potty. If I had a porta potty, I just can jack up on it. That'll be so much easier, but hey, I only do, this is my only truck I'm doing, so I'm not gonna invest no money in something I don't need. But I went ahead and put the rubber boot and the cup down there. That's where the only thing I do is just set the spring up there. Very simple, very simple. All right, let me get this done. There it is, guys. The cup is in. As you can see, still play in it. That rubber boot on top. I don't know if you can see it, but it's boot in, spring in, cup in. Alright, add the shock extender, and then we just put everything back together. Alright guys, now the shock extender, this goes in sideways at the bottom. Alright, so it sits in there just like this. So me, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this sideways, turn my shock sideways. And I'm gonna put the top bolt through my shock, so when it sit down, just sit in middle, and that's the last bolt you bolt up. That's how it goes when I just turn it around. I don't tighten that bolt up yet. I take my 13/16, and once I lift it on up, I take this 13/16, I put this behind it, and then I take my air gun and I just shoot it on up. I just don't tighten it yet because it's still easy to move, and I need it to be able to move around. So let's say very simple. Very, very simple. Not rocket science, very simple. So I'm gonna bolt this up and put the arm on, and then I'm gonna put the tire on, and we're gonna see what she look like. And I gotta zip tie this wire back. I gotta pull this wire up. I'm gonna probably zip tie this somewhere up here. I'll probably put it, I can get it back up there, never mind. And yeah, we're gonna see what she sit like. I still gotta get alignment for the front, cause the front alignment is auto whack like hell. So still gotta get alignment. I'm gonna try to align it myself to my best ability. I'm not even gonna do a video on that because I'm not an alignment expert, and I don't want to tell you something and it'll be totally wrong. So yeah, not an alignment expert, but yeah, I'm not an expert at none of this. I just be doing shit. But anyway, I'm gonna put the truck back together. As y'all can see, very simple. All right, guys, we're all done, and there you have it. Definitely bigger than before. Definitely. I think we got somewhere with this one, y'all. I think we got somewhere. Definitely huge. I like it. I like it. Yeah. It's a lot of work going to this, but it doesn't take long. As y'all can see. She's definitely bigger, but if you can look at that alignment, it's so far off. Ugh. I'm not gonna do a video on the alignment part because, yeah, I'm not good at it. But I gotta do something about this because she is all out of whack. So I'm gonna try to play with the tie rods a little. But as of me playing with the bringing the tie in and out by the control arm, yeah, I let them handle that. But I'm gonna have to try to touch it a little just to get it to the point where I could drive it to get her alignment. But she is huge. I'm loving it. All right, guys, y'all stay tuned. It's much more on the way.
Yeah, we seen this done wrong so many times. We learn from mistakes, let's waste no time. We know what we want, we gon' be fine. This is special, it's one of a kind. See, I took every lie that was ever told on my face into consideration. Yeah, I know your heart is racing. Yeah, anxiety, we just gon' take it easy. Yeah, we gon' be fine. Let's not let failure corrupt our minds. I'll take care of your heart like it was mine.